Good evening, everybody. Hope you had a good day today. Okay, now I have a question. What do you call when you cross an angry sheep with an angry cow? You get an animal in a bad mood.